Good morning. So today we are going to explain you about our topic inflation. Inflation is the rate at which prices for goods and services increases. There are several types of inflation. Some of them are demand pull inflation, cost push inflation and built-in inflation. डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन क्या होता है? जब भी एक चीज़ का डिमांड बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है और उसके सप्लाई बहुत ही कम रहता है, तो उसकी वजह से चीज़ों के प्राइसेस बढ़ा देते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन. Or cost push inflation occurs when overall prices increases due to the increase in the cost of wages and raw materials. Higher cost of production can decrease the aggregate supply in the economy. Built-in inflation क्या होता है? जब एक कंट्री में इन्फ्लेशन होता है और उसके हिसाब से कंपनीज़ में भी इन्फ्लेशन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो सैलरीज बढ़ती नहीं है. सैलरीज के ऊपर अगर टैक्स लग जाएगा, अगर आपका 25,000 सैलरी है तो फिर आपका 25,000 से 23,000 हो जाएगा. इसके वजह से सैलरीज में भी इन्फ्लेशन करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बिल्ट इन इन्फ्लेशन. That's because a bit of inflation encourages spending in anticipation of rising prices, which can lead to higher wages and growth in the economy. But inflation can also degrade the value of people saving, fixed income and investment returns.
When demand pull inflation occurs in a large scale, then it can cause hyperinflation. The most hyperinflation has occurred in Zimbabwe in 2008, when the prices were $90 billion in Zimbabwe dollars, when one packet of bread was purchased for 3.5 crore Zimbabwe dollars. The first hyperinflation has happened in Germany after the First World War. There are several cases of this hyperinflation. The most recent hyperinflation has happened in Pakistan in 2023. There are several ways to combat inflation. Like we can purchase at cheaper grocery stores, we can use coupons, cashbacks, rebate, etc. We can also invest more so that we can handle the growing inflation that can occur in the future. There are several types of inflations like core inflation, hyperinflation, imported inflation, etc.
As you can see that कि गोल्ड के प्राइसेस भी बढ़ रहे थे. 2005 में पहले 7,000 था, फिर 2010 में 18,000 हुआ. ऐसे ही बढ़ते बढ़ते 2020 में 48,000 हुआ. अभी 2023 में 62,000 है. तो उसके वजह से ऐसे इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ता जाता है. तो दिस इज़ इन्फ्लेशन. थैंक यू.